how to purchase Amazon Prime Video subscription plan. So if you want to buy your Amazon Prime Video subscription plan, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you need to go back to your browser. You can't do that on your application. So open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with my Google Chrome. You need to search for Amazon Prime Video subscriptions and then go with www.amazonprimevideo.com. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Now, you can just simply go and start your free trial if you have a 30-day free trial. So I'll just simply go with start. You can go with the menu, which will be on the top left, and then tap on Join Prime and then log into your account. After that, it will ask you to add a credit or your debit card. You need to enter your credit or your debit card information, enter your name on the card number, expiry date, and everything. Go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and add your card. After adding your card, you will have your free trial period. You can use that, or you can take the monthly subscription. That's how you can purchase your Amazon Prime Video subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.